If you have a single dimensional array, for example, int arr of 3 is equal to 1, 2, 3 or char ch of 3 is equal to abc, and if you create int star ptr and char star cptr, then on incrementing these pointers, it will point to the next location. So here, depending on type, the pointer will move to the next location, be it 1, 2, 4 or any number of bytes. So the pointers created here are either pointing to a single integer of 2 or 4 bytes or a single character of 1 byte. Assume this declaration. This is a 2D array and it will look something like this. You can create a pointer which can point to an entire array. For example, if I want a pointer pointing to this 2D array, I can say star ptr of 4. This means the ptr is pointing to this base address, and on incrementing, it will move here on the second row first element, and this goes on and on. Because actually ptr is pointing to a 1D array of 4 integer elements. Let's practically see this. I will declare the array with these values. Now I will say int star ptr 4 is equal to arr. This means ptr is pointing to a 1D array of 4 integer elements, and on increment ptr will traverse vertically like this. The way we saw in the previous lecture that arr and star arr was giving the same result, here also if I try to say cout ptr and cout star ptr, it displays the same value, as ptr points to 2D array and star ptr will point to each element of 2D array, that is a 1D array. And once you have access to 1D array by star ptr, the star ptr will return you the value stored at that location. Now let's try some combinations as we tried in previous lecture. So here to display arr of 1, 2, first of all, I will write cout star ptr plus 1. So now by saying this, right now my ptr is pointing to the 1D array, that is the second one. And inside that, we want to access the element with index number 2, which is the third one, that is right here. First of all, I will put these inside a parenthesis to get a clear idea, and I will say plus 2 and then the value of that. Let me complete this line. And there we have the desired output.